All right, welcome back. So in this video, it's a bit of a different one because I had to record my screen of me showing you how to actually set up the Bifrost wallet, because the wallet that we are going to be using for the Flare related DeFi XRP opportunities is only available as a mobile app. So we will be using the Bifrost wallet, and you can do that by simply going to the App Store and clicking on the Bifrost wallet, this one that I'm showing you, and essentially creating the wallet itself. So when you open it, you will choose create a new wallet, and then you will have to go through the onboarding process. First of all, agreeing to the legal terms and stuff, and then moving to the wallet backup and your seed phrase. This is very important. As I said before, always back up the phrase safely, store it somewhere offline, and make sure that no one ever asks you, or I would say not, make sure not to give it away if someone asks you for your seed phrase, okay? Never ever do that. I'm showing you my recovery phrase because it's a wallet that I will not be using. It's just for demo purposes. But you should never ever show your recovery phrase to anyone. So make sure to write it down, store it safely, and then click on continue, where you will be asked to actually confirm the 12 words in the correct order. So what I did is just I took a screenshot from my other phone. I will make those 12 words in the correct order, and then we will be done with the wallet creation. But you make sure to write them down, or if you took a screenshot, print it out and store it safely offline and not somewhere online as a photo in your phone, okay? Just in case someone sees it. Then you will be asked to create a PIN code, which is the same one as on Rabby wallet. It's just for a PIN to enter into the protocols, okay, and into the wallet, sorry. So every time you open a wallet app, you will be asked to enter this PIN code. Of course, you can enable biometrics, Face ID or Touch ID, whatever, and enter easier. And now, when you are done, you will see your current balance. Is a very simple, straightforward UI on this one. So you will see all of the balances and assets when you have them. But the most important button will be the blue arrow, the big blue button, as you can see in the middle. When you click on it, you will be able to do pretty much everything from receiving crypto, sending different assets, buying or selling your crypto. I never done that, so I cannot recommend any of these features. Swapping between multiple assets, which is also beneficial if you need to swap quickly from some Fxrp to USDT, or from Flare to USDT, or Fxrp, doesn't matter. You're able to do it quickly here. But most important button is the connect button, because every time you open a protocol on your browser, you will have to connect the wallet. So when you click connect wallet on your browser DeFi protocol, you will have to select connect using wallet connect. I will show you that on the next video, don't worry, but it's just for your general knowledge. You will always have to do this step. Click on connect wallet, then you will be given a QR code that you have to scan. And in order to scan it, you have to go on your mobile Bifrost app, click on the blue arrow, and click on connect using wallet connect, which is the last button. And when you click on it, it will ask you for the camera access for the first time, and then you will have to scan the QR code that you see on a protocol. And then you will essentially be connected to the protocol, okay? It's very simple. It works really greatly, but it's just one of the things that you have to understand and know how to do it. So I will show you that one more time, and then you will be connected. And then you can walk through the wallet app yourself. And in order to receive some cryptos, you want to click on the blue arrow again, then click on receive, and choose which asset you want to receive. Because we will be using Xrp and Fxrp and Flare mostly, you can basically write Xrp and you will see a few options as well. As you can see, you have Fxrp, Firelight, Staked, STXRP, and also native XRP. So the native XRP is the one you want to choose, and because you will be sending some native XRPs that you hold, and then we will mint the Fxrp. Okay, so you can click on XRP. In this case, you will have your own wallet address where you will want to send some of the XRPs. Of course, don't send XRPs to this wallet that you see, because this is my wallet. You don't want to send me XRPs, right? So whatever wallet address you see on your own screen, that's what you want to be using. Okay, so this is very straightforward process. Create the wallet and leave it there, and on the next videos I will be showing you how to connect it, how to fund it. We will send some XRPs there and we will start making those XRPs work for us. Okay, so thank you, and I will see you on the next video.